Hey everyone, Allison here, welcome. So, if you remember the other day I showed you that I got this coloring book from Hannah Lynn. I did that one. But my other three finally showed up. So I thought I'd show you those three real quick. So this won't be too long of a video. So this one, I love it. This is the Country Cabins. This one's different. It's got like, I don't know. It says bonus image. So I'm not really sure what that is for. Or it's just maybe bonus, extra pictures. I don't know. Because it doesn't really say. In fact, it says nothing. But maybe these are the two bonus images. Let's look. The cabin. No. I'm not even seeing bonus now. Did I miss it? Okay, so bonus is this one. So just one is, I guess, just one. Huh. Cause we're just seeing like two of them, but maybe just one. Let's see if this is. Oh no! I see there was. Maybe I'm just flipping too quick. Cause I seen that again. I'm probably just flipping too quick. Oh, in any case, let's see if it's got. Nope, it don't. I was hoping it had, a thing to show you like each individual picture, but it doesn't. So I'll just kind of flip through. I really like this one. It looks so nice and cozy. Aw, and the little doggy. Oh, I like that. So, yep. I'll just kind of skip through a few. But, so see, not all of my stuff is cartoony. Although I guess it'd be kind of cartoony when I color it. Oh, look at the snowman. Look how stinking cute that is. Ugh. Alright, so there is. Uh-oh. The cabins. And then this next one is stained glass flower designs. No, this one don't have it either. So it's just got a bunch of different flowers. And that one's cool. Oh, I like that one. I mean, I like them all, but oh, daffodils. That's what's growing in my front yard right now is a bunch of daffodils. Aw, some flowers. Oh, these are really pretty. Tulips, dream catchers. Yeah, really, really pretty. I like that. Oh, really, really pretty. Oh, I like that one. Little picnic basket with wine. No, I guess it's not a picnic basket, but I mean, I guess it kind of is. It's got the fruit, and it looks like it's got the wine in the back. Our little fairies. Cute, cute, cute. Tulips. Well, not those, but the other picture was tulips. So, got that one. Look how pretty. And then the final one I got, Pokemon. Yes, I know, cartoon again. But I love Pokemon. So cute, so cute. So let's see if this has got, well, it's got the names. It's got the name. Oh, it's a Pikachu. Pikachu. My favorite. Oh, Charizard. Squirtle. Oh my gosh. Too cute. So this would be more, I don't know, because I guess I could use like my pencils on this, because I wouldn't be able to do my markers. It would just go right through. Although I guess depending on what's on the other side, it wouldn't really matter. But, so yeah, coloring pencils for sure for this one. I mean, like I said, unless it's a picture I don't really care if I ruin. He meows. So cute, cute. The Pikachu again. Psych. Psych. He was one of those so stupid, but boy, when he could do his powers, he was pretty powerful. Togepi. Oh, Flutterby. Too cute. Too cute. Why is there no Pikachu here? That's what I want to know. Why is there no Pikachu? Alright, so let's take a look at the books again. So we got the Pokemon. That's alright. Little disappointed that it's got the paint, the pictures on both sides, but I'll just use pencils, I guess, for that, or crayons. And then the stained glass, the cabins. I love that. And then, of course, the Hannah Lynn. I love the Hannah Lynn. This is what I was wanting to see if the others had was, it actually shows like all of the images. So, anyhow, there we go. So there are the books that I got. Just because of everything that's going on, it's taken a little bit longer to get here. So, and a little choppier rather than all together. Excuse me. All right, so I'm going to let you guys go. I hope you have a wonderful day or night. And as always, smile. I love y'all. Bye-bye.